Someone has created this ComfyUI support for Microsoft VibeVoice model, and that is what we are going to install in this video. I'm going to walk you through step by step as how you can configure it locally, and then how you can clone your voice without much ado with the help of these custom nodes which have been created. I will also drop the link to this GitHub repo in video's description. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member as that helps a lot. We have covered VibeVoice a lot on the channel. We have cloned the voices and we have run it on CPU, GPU, and we have even seen some of the fine-tuning videos. This model, I believe, is the best, if not the all-time best model when it comes to voice cloning at the moment. So much so that Microsoft hasn't still restored its repo, which contains a lot of other gems. But that is a discussion for another time. Let's get started. If you don't know what ComfyUI is, I would highly recommend you go to my channel and then search with ComfyUI tutorial. I will also drop the link in attached videos where you can watch this tutorial on ComfyUI to get it installed locally, and that is all you need to do. So I'm assuming for this purpose you have installed ComfyUI, but I will take you from there and we will get this ComfyUI custom nodes installed. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM, but you can run it on CPU too, as I shown it in the video which you just saw. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Mass Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. So first up, just go to ComfyUI directory. From there, go to custom nodes, and in custom nodes, git clone this repo. Once that's done, go back one directory, and from there launch your ComfyUI. I'm just launching it on my local host at port 8188. It is going to launch everything here, so let's wait. And you can see that everything is now running. And this is the ComfyUI interface in front of you. Now from the left, just click on this downward arrow, file, and then open. And from the root of the repo, there is an example directory, and there are various workflow JSON files which I'm going to load here. And there you go. So single speaker workflow is in front of you. I will also be showing you the multi-speaker after this. So on the left hand side, you just have to select an audio from your local system. Just click here and then select an audio. Or you can just select and choose files to upload. And then this is example folder, but I'm just going to select it from my own. And let me select one of the files. So I have selected the audio. I'll just play it for you. Joy is found in simple moments of gratitude, and true contentment comes when we truly value the small blessings we already have in life. So this is the voice which I want to clone, and I want this voice to speak this text which says, "Hello, please like the video, subscribe to channel and become a member to show support," and all that stuff. Now, if you look here, there are three choices of model. There is a 1.5 billion one, which is really well suited for single speaker. But if you want to do multi-speaker, I would highly recommend you go with VibeVoice Large, which takes around 17 gig on your disk space. So I have just selected this. And once you have selected, just keep rest of sampler and scheduler, which controls the prompt and the output. And rest is fine. These are just some of the notes which it has put. And then all you need to do is to just click on run here. Okay, so it says that model loading failed. Now this is where you would need to install this transformer version. Now the reason why it is showing me is that I'm using a bit of an older version of ComfyUI. The best and easy way is to just copy this. If you have a latest version of ComfyUI, you shouldn't be getting this. Let's go back here, press Ctrl+C, and then pip install, and paste this, and that's pretty much it. Let's wait for it to get installed. And the transformer version is now installed. Let's launch it again in the same way, and it has loaded again. Let's go back to the browser. Let's reload. I'll just say leave page, and it is going to reload it. And now let's run it again. And this time it is running, and the proof is that you see it is now downloading the VibeVoice large model at the moment. So let's wait for it to get downloaded. I will also show you the VRAM consumption. Now, one thing, if you're still facing the error which I earlier showed you, one thing I would suggest you do is go into the custom node and that custom node directory, the one which I mentioned earlier, and just install the requirement.txt from there. So if I just quickly take you back, ComfyUI custom node, and this is a VibeVoice. So just install this requirement.txt and that should fix that error for you. But I didn't have to do it. My VV embed folder was already there. Okay, so that is cool. Let's wait for it to come back after installing. Everything is done and it is not generating it, as you can see. ETA is around, I would say, a minute, but anyway, let's wait for it to generate the cloned audio and then we will check. Maybe meanwhile, I will quickly show you the VRAM consumption. So you see, just quite minimal. You can easily run it on CPU too. It will go up and I will also show you, but I think as I showed you in this video, you can easily run it on CPU too. And it has generated the audio. Let me play it.
Hello, please like the video, subscribe to channel and become a member to show support. Thanks.
Pretty good. Now let's do a female voice. Let me play it.
Although the campaign was not a complete success, it did provide Napoleon with valuable experience and prestige.
So you see, it is consuming now over 18 gig of VRAM, the large model. It is generating it. I think it already did. Let's play it.
Hello, please like the video, subscribe to channel, and become a member to show support. Thanks.
I think it's pretty good. Let's try to do a multi-speaker one and then we will go with the multilingual one too. So again, just to show you, file, open, and then this is where I have installed that ComfyUI. Again, custom nodes, and then VibeVoice ComfyUI. This is where the example folder is. This is so we did the single speaker. Now let's do the multi-speaker JSON. So this is the one. Now this one, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select maybe my own wave file. This, for this one, the female voice which we just played, and maybe for dialogue. So there are two ways you can give the dialogue. You can either give it in this space, which I'm going to do, or you can even give it with this text file. So I believe you just have to connect it something like this here, and then you would just have to select the text file. So I'm not going to do that for now. I'm just going to keep it, but maybe I'll check it out later. I'll just delete this one. So this is a multi-speaker dialogue which I'm going to check, and this is introduction, and then Fahad Kate, and I have already selected the values. Totally fictional scenario. If you have been regular follower of my channel, you know that we have this very critical real world problem with some lawn mowing and jumping on the trampoline from the neighbors. So let's check it out. Let me go back here, and we already have selected these. Let's run this. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, so the model has generated the output. Let me play it for you and we will listen to it for a bit. I will also paste, maybe I will play it here and show you the dialogue in the VS Code.
Hi, I'm Fahad. I think we're finally meeting for real instead of just waving across driveways.
Hey, Fahad. I'm Kate, the trampoline acrobat next door. Nice to officially meet you.
Ooh, the bikini girl. I think we're finally meeting for real instead of just waving across fence.
Hey, Fahad. No, the trampoline girl, or were you just focusing on bikini? Nice to officially meet you, though.
Nice to meet you too, Kate. I didn't expect my lawn mowing routine to come with a live show.
Live show, please. That was just me trying to get some fresh air and maybe test your concentration.
Mission accomplished. I nearly turned my mower into modern art out there.
I noticed those mysterious circles in the grass. Is that your signature style?
Only when my neighbor keeps winking at me every time she jumps.
Winking? Oh no, I must have a trampoline induced eye twitch. Totally accidental.
Aha, sure. And I'm totally great at mowing dirt patches.
Dirt patches are in this season. You're just ahead of the trend.
Good to know. Maybe next time I'll just skip the mower and watch the trendsetter bounce.
Careful, you'll start charging admission.
Only if it includes lemonade on your porch afterward.
Lemonade is negotiable, but only if you bring your best lawn mowing stories.
I have plenty, but they all end with me distracted by a neighbor with perfect timing.
Perfect timing is a skill. Maybe I'll teach you if you ever try the trampoline.
Me? On a trampoline? That sounds like a public safety hazard.
Then we'll call it a private lesson. Neighbors helping neighbors.
In that case, I might need to forget to mow next weekend.
Forgetting sounds perfect. Just promise you'll bring that charming grin.
Deal. But only if you promise a few more accidental winks.
No promises, but I wouldn't rule it out.
Then I'd say this is shaping up to be the best.
So you see, there were a few mistakes, of course. Even it switched the voice totally to male when it should have done the female one, but it has followed the audio quite good. So the my audio is not of a good quality at all, but the other audio is professional grade audio from a studio, and that is why you see that it was very expressive in the female voice. It was really going through the motions, but even then, my not so good quality audio was able to do perfectly well, and it supports both mp3 and wave. But we have tested that model quite thoroughly already, and you can even add 2 more speakers here. Now let me load the single speaker again, and we will test couple of multilinguality. And before that, let me quickly show you how you can load it from the file. So this is a file. When you click on it, it shows you this long.txt, which I have just loaded here. Now it has, you see, it is selected. You just bring it here, and then you just join it from here. I will just, and from there you can simply run it. Now what I have done, I have just gone into ComfyUI and uploaded it into the temp directory. It should pick it up from there. So let's run this, and it's the same text. So let me run this.
Hello. Please like the video, subscribe to channel, and become a member to show support. Thanks.
Okay, so that is done. Now let's do the multilinguality. I will remove the file. Okay, first up, I'm going to do the Arabic. Let me first play the original.
في الصحراء الواسعة وجدنا واحة جميلة مليئة بأشجار التمر والنخيل.
So this is a voice to be cloned. Let's run the model. And this is Arabic, which primarily means that please become a member if you want to support the channel or if you love the channel. So let's wait for it to finish, and then we will play it. And that is done. Let's play.
مرحبا. إذا كنت تحب هذه القناة فيرجى أن تصبح عضوا. شكرا.
I think that was perfect. Really, really good. Okay, now let's check the Indonesian. So I'm just going to select the Indonesian. And let me play the Indonesian original.
Halo, mohon sukai videonya, berlangganan saluran ini. dan menjadi anggota untuk menunjukkan dukungan. Terima kasih.
And let's play the cloned one now.
Halo, jika Anda menyukai kanal ini, mohon menjadi anggota. Terima kasih.
You see? Perfect. And now let's do the Spanish.
La felicidad es un sentimiento fugaz que se puede encontrar en los momentos más simples de la vida.
So this is original. Let's play the cloned.
Hola, si te gusta este canal, por favor hazte miembro. Gracias.
Yep, great stuff. And now I'm going to go with Swahili, a beautiful African language. This is a text, and I'm just going to select the Swahili from here. Let me run this while I play.
Hujambo, tafadhali penda video hii. Jisajili kwenye chaneli hii na uwe mwanachama kuonyesha msaada. Asante.
So that is the original one, and I have asked it to do this. Let's play.
Hujambo, tafadhali penda video hii. Jisajili kwenye chaneli hii na uwe mwanachama kuonyesha msaada. Asante.
Okay, I'm not sure if it has done it right. Let's maybe I will just do it again. I have changed the sentence just to make sure that we are doing it right. Let's do it again. It has already converted.
Furaha ni ya kupita, lakini kuridhika hudumu.
I think it was quite good. Okay, next up, let's try out. Maybe this time I will go with Norwegian just to make our Scandinavian friends happy. And let's put it in here. Let's run this while I play the Norwegian.
Hej! Vänligst lik videon, abonner på kanalen och bli medlem för att visa støtte. Tack!
Let's play this.
Lyckan är flyktig, men tillfredshet varar.
Yeah, the cloning has missed a beat here a bit, not much, but still a bit. Okay, nothing is perfect.
Lyckan är flyktig, men tillfredshet varar.
Yeah, and this was original.
Hej! Vänligst lik videon, abonner på kanalen och bli medlem för att visa støtte. Tack!
Yeah, okay, no worries. Let's do a one final one in another language. And I'm going to try it out this Hindi one. Let's play the Hindi.
बाजार में गरम गरम समोसे और चाय की खुशबू से भरा माहौल था, जहां रंग बिरंगी साड़ियों में औरतें सब्जियां खरीद रही थीं। कई सी लादे ले वो जो है खुशी क्षणिक है, लेकिन संतोष टिकता है।
Not bad. And let's do very, very final Urdu one.
शाम के वक्त चाय की प्याली लेकर छत पर बैठे और दौर से आने वाली कवाली की आवाज सुनते रहे। तैसी खुशी और एजी है, मगर इत्मीनान बाकी रहता है।
Well, the accent is very off than Urdu, but it has done it well. The cloning is there. So look, I think this guy has done really good job. So really good stuff. I will drop the link to this repo in video's description. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and consider becoming a member, as that helps a lot. Thank you for all the support.